Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Roblox. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Roblox app. After you come across this home page, click on the three horizontal dots in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down your screen and click on Settings option. Go to Account Info option. Here you can see the language option. Now click on the word English so that a list of languages can appear. Then select the language of your liking. And that is how you can change language on Roblox. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.